yourself. A merry little Christmas. Love. And have yourself a merry little Christmas. Up, 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 up. We go, we go.
I wish that every day of the year could have the love that we feel on Christmas Day.
The next day.
Good morning, you guys. What clips have you guys seen? Like Khotata, guys, doing this thing during December and doing like trying to get the festive season going and trying to get my household in order has been a lot. But yeah, if you're new, do subscribe. Yeah, like the video, all of that good stuff. I think this is going to be like my last year of long form content, and then I'm going to be switching to like shorts purely next year. But I didn't just want to leave you guys like this. So yeah, my Shein order came in with all the accessories that I told you guys about. I'm gonna do like a collective haul of everything that I got, the clothing, some of the house items, even though I've used them already, and all of that jazz. So yeah, you guys saw the Christmas tree is up, and I managed to like do the trees. Auntie's feet burning, babe. Oh, you guys, my man just came in and he says that he found the car open. It's our first time going out. He found the car open, his new shades are gone, and the cabin hold was like run through and stuff, and nothing is missing, just the shades. So I think they assumed whoever stole assumed they were getting diesel shades, and unfortunately they were not diesel shades. It was just the cover, I think, that's diesel. But my man really loved those shades, so I'm gonna have to buy them for him. But I just wrapped his Christmas gift. And then Sanaman, yes, we spend so much money. Like money is like depleted. But yeah. And you know what's the thing with it now? Not to be like mad at, like to be putting this back on my husband. I always tell him, he's always saying that this place is safe. But in the group, we always get told, lock your cars, lock everything, make sure that everything is closed up because people can walk in, always watch and stuff like that. And it's always like, no, this place is safe, this place is safe. And it's not, because people rely on the fact that you're comfortable, and our car lives outside, so it's kind of like we don't put it in the garage. Either way, also just open the gate then, because the gate is hard to close as well. He's not very happy, so the water is so nice. Is it? When are you just jumping? Come on. Come on. So you guys, we just came back from swimming, took showers, and now we're just chilling, and I'm trying to just tidy up the house. And my son is crying because he wanted to go outside with his dad, but his dad was only going to the car. And that's that. But yeah, my Shein accessories came in, you guys. I'm so happy. I'm gonna do a short with them, I think, but I will still show you guys after I'm done recording that, because I need to like pick a day when I'm recording that. Also, let's not have a conversation about my hair. Okay, let's not do that. Good morning, you guys. It's Saturday. That's the date. The 23rd. I didn't sleep well. It was raining yesterday, and Miguel's father is out of town. So I just slept with him, and I didn't sleep well at all. And he woke up really early. Like, not early, I woke up early. I think I woke up at like 2:06. He woke up at past 6. So I'm really tired. And I went to bed at around 1 and I struggled to catch sleep. So I'm really genuinely tired. But it's Saturday today. The weather is a bit cloudy. Yeah, it's just me and my little man. He's pretend to play there somewhere. So what is it? Hmm? So you guys, it's currently it's going for 2. My man wants to host 2 of his friends for boxing, to watch a boxing match or boxing tickets. I don't know what they call it, but he wants me to make malamhori today.
Mama.
Yes.
Daddy.
You're hungry?
Yeah.
Okay, let me make you noodles, ne? So that's what I'm preparing to make now. I had to change my top and everything, and also I'm getting the house together because when I host, I want the house to be clean. Obviously, guys, the house has to always be clean, but like when people are coming over, it must be spotless. So let me prepare to make omnigelo noodles because he's hungry now, and his dad is gonna arrive with pizza, but he needs something to eat for right now. Yeah, and then we're gonna prep to do malam hood. And look, you blink, flies every. It hurts. Aski, lie on your tummy. I'm wearing it now. Ask Daddy to help you quickly. Ah, what is it? You don't know what it is? Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Just let him open the rest now.
They will like open it.
Open. Rip it.
Just do this by the tears.
Oh, wow.
Do this by
It's going to take a while. Yeah. Oh, wow. Oh. Yay. Oh, thank you, buddy. Where's Kelo's one? Go take Kelo's one. At the back there. There, look. Yes. Take it. It's Kelo's. Yeah, come. Let's sit down. Let's open gifts. Come. Christmas, everybody. You guys most probably have seen us opening presents and all of that. There are some presents that we opened a bit earlier, honey, because I was like, yeah, but this is Merry Christmas, everybody. This is we're gonna go do Christmas at my mom's house, lunch there, and then Nigelo is gonna sleep over at my mom's, and then yeah, we'll see where the day takes us. Child, my ear just don't want to lay down, and I'm just like, you know what, I'm not gonna fight it. But like, yeah, oh, let me show you what Daddy Babe got for me. Apart from the bracelet that I'm wearing, one of the bracelets, yeah, the other one is from Shein, the black one is from Shein. We got matching shoes. I don't know if you guys saw those. These are so cute. I would want to wear them today, but I just feel like the black shoe that I'm wearing works better. But this is what they look like. They are so cute. Daddy Baker has the navy ones as well. So cute. And then Mr. Keller is also wearing his Christmas clothes, and he got his toys. He opened one the night before. You guys would have seen that also at Christmas Eve. And then we opened presents all together today. So yeah, let me show you guys what I'm wearing. Oh, I was gonna wear this yesterday, and then we ended up not going to my mom's place. I made my famous potato salad, and I'm also gonna go home and make spinach for the lunch. Creamy spinach, because I dabble in creamy spinach quite intense. Like, when I get one thing right, then my family just assumes that I will constantly be making that thing. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Let me show you guys what I'm wearing. And this is one of the purchases that I was gonna include in the haul, but I had to wear it today because who doesn't want to wear Christmas clothing? So I'm wearing this dress from Jet. Let me show it to you guys. My house is a bit messy. I'm wearing this dress from Jet. It's simple, it's easy, there's nothing to it. It's so cute. Excuse whatever that you're seeing there, please. I need to buy proper wrapping thingies for these curtains. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing. This is from Jet. This one is from Lavisa. This is Daddy's gift, and this one is from Shein. And then these are just earrings from Shein, if I'm not mistaken. And then I'm wearing my black Ackerman's shoes that I've been saying, like, they did a big one with this shoe. I'm wearing this shoe, so I look rather cute. I'm hoping I'll be able to take pictures. But yeah, my house is a mess, but that's fine. We'll come back and clean it because Mnigelo won't be around. But yeah, that's what I look like. I look so cute and so new-news, but a little bit preggies. I'm a bit bloated because I'm ovulating, and I don't know why this time around it's coming with such a vengeance. I'm ovulating, right? And I have a breakout on my neck. I don't know why. I have one here as well. And yeah, like, I'm just... yeah, but either way, like...
yourself a merry little Christmas night, and have yourself a merry little Christmas. Up, 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 up. We go, we go.
A few moments later.
Yeah, you guys, I'm back home. Yeah, I'm gonna change now and just wear my PJs for now until we maybe decide what we're gonna do with Bay. But like Mnigela's at my mom's. I didn't record all that much there because whenever I'm with my family, I'm hardly with my family. So whenever I'm with them, I'm with them. So yeah. Yo, but I'm tired. I've been cooking. I made potato salad, got home, made spinach. Then we set up and then we ate. And there was a lot of food. It was some good food. They went for second plates. So, you know, we put our foot in it. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys. I don't know when. The thrill for vlogging is nearing the end, guys. Back to short form content. Pretty short to fill it.